Welcome to the Fit Food channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the 7 best foods that will be good for your breath after 50. Watch this video to the end, it will be very interesting. The first, due to its many health advantages, avocado is a superfood that has grown in popularity recently. Those over 50 years old can breathe better thanks to avocados in particular. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that aids in defending the lungs against oxidative damage, is abundant in avocados. Also, avocados contain a lot of monounsaturated fats, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help lower the risk of respiratory illnesses. These beneficial fats can also aid in lowering cholesterol levels, which can enhance heart health and minimize the chance of heart disease, which is a significant contributor to breathing issues in older persons. Moreover, avocados contain a lot of potassium, a vital mineral that lowers blood pressure. Lung function can be lowered and respiratory issues brought on by high blood pressure. People can lower their blood pressure and keep their lungs healthy by frequently eating avocados. Avocados also contain fiber, which is beneficial for digestion and may lessen stomach irritation. In turn, this can lessen respiratory system irritation and facilitate breathing. Another way that avocados can help improve breathing is by promoting weight loss. Being overweight can strain the lungs, making breathing challenging. Avocados are rich in fiber and good fats, which can make people feel pleased and full and help them consume less calories overall. People can increase their lung function and lower their risk of respiratory issues by keeping a healthy weight. The second, for its therapeutic benefits, ginger is a potent herb that has been used for ages. Ginger, in particular, can help people over 50 breathe easier by enhancing lung function and lowering respiratory system inflammation. The anti-inflammatory qualities of gingerols and shogales, which assist to relax the airways and make breathing easier, are found in ginger. This is especially advantageous for people with asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease since it can lessen the severity of symptoms and enhance overall lung function. The antibacterial and antifungal qualities of ginger have also been demonstrated, and they can aid in preventing respiratory infections. People's immune systems deteriorate with age, increasing their susceptibility to illnesses. Regular ginger use helps strengthen the immune system and lower the incidence of respiratory infections. In addition to its warming properties, ginger also helps to encourage healthier breathing by warming the body. Ginger can also help with breathing by enhancing digestion. Inflammation in the gut brought on by poor digestion can bring on respiratory system inflammation. Ginger includes chemicals that soothe the stomach and lessen inflammation, enhancing respiratory health in general. In conclusion, ginger is a potent herb that helps improve breathing in those over 50. Improved respiratory health is a result of its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal, as well as digestive, effects. People can enhance lung function, lessen inflammation, and avoid respiratory infections by including ginger in their diet or by taking it as a supplement, which will improve general health and well-being. The third, apples are a fruit that is scrumptious and healthy and can improve breathing in those over 50. Quercetin in particular, which is abundant in apples, can aid to protect the lungs from oxidative damage and lessen respiratory system inflammation. Apples are also a good source of fiber, which can aid to improve lung health and lessen intestinal irritation. Apples also contain a lot of vitamin C, which is necessary for sustaining lung health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can aid in defending the lungs from harm from smoking and environmental toxins. Moreover, it is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that keeps the lungs sturdy and healthy. Apples can also help with breathing by strengthening the heart. Pectin, a form of soluble fiber found in apples, has been shown to lower cholesterol and minimize the risk of heart disease. As heart illness can result in decreased blood flow to the lungs, it is frequently a source of breathing issues in older persons. The fourth, since ancient times, people have used the tasty herb known as garlic for its therapeutic benefits. Garlic, in particular, can help people over 50 breathe easier by enhancing lung function and lowering respiratory system inflammation. Allicin, a substance found in garlic, has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities. Those with respiratory disorders including asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease may find it easier to breathe and have less symptoms thanks to this substance's ability to reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. Moreover, research has indicated that garlic has antiviral characteristics that may aid in preventing respiratory infections. People's immune systems deteriorate with age, increasing their susceptibility to illnesses. Regular garlic consumption helps strengthen the immune system and lower the risk of respiratory infections. Moreover, garlic can support heart health, which is crucial for preserving lung health. Compounds in garlic have been shown to lower cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease. As heart illness can result in decreased blood flow to the lungs, it is frequently a source of breathing issues in older persons. The promotion of general health and well-being is a further method by which garlic can enhance breathing. Vitamin C and selenium, which are essential for maintaining good lung function and lowering inflammation in the respiratory system, are two vitamins and minerals that are abundant in garlic. Antioxidants found in garlic may also aid to shield the lungs from oxidative damage. The fifth, nuts are a tasty and wholesome snack that helps improve breathing for those over 50. Vitamin E in particular, which is abundant in nuts, can aid to protect the lungs from oxidative damage and lessen respiratory system inflammation. Nuts also include a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which can assist to improve lung function and lessen inflammation. Nuts are also a fantastic source of magnesium, which is crucial for supporting lung health. The mineral magnesium aids in relaxing the airways, making breathing easier. Moreover, it is essential for the proper operation of muscles and nerves, particularly those that control respiration. Nuts can also help with breathing by strengthening the heart. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are found in nuts, can help lower cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. As heart illness can result in decreased blood flow to the lungs, it is frequently a source of breathing issues in older persons. Nuts are also a low glycemic food that can support people in maintaining appropriate blood sugar levels. Breathing can become difficult as a result of respiratory system inflammation brought on by high blood sugar levels. People can support healthy blood sugar levels and enhance lung function by frequently eating nuts. The sixth, leafy greens are a great source of nutrients that can improve breathing for people over 50. They are abundant in antioxidants, vitamin C, E, and K, and other nutrients that can help protect the lungs from oxidative damage and lessen respiratory system inflammation. Leafy greens also include a lot of fiber, which can help with digestion and advance general health and well-being. In addition, nitrates, which are included in leafy greens in good amounts, can assist to enhance lung function. In the body, nitrates are transformed into nitric oxide, which aids in relaxing the blood vessels and airways to make breathing easier. Those with respiratory disorders like asthma and chronic obstructive lung disease may find this to be very helpful. Leafy greens can also help with breathing by enhancing heart health. Leafy greens are a great food for preserving a healthy weight because they are high in fiber and low in calories. Obesity increases the risk of developing heart disease, which can worsen breathing problems and restrict blood flow to the lungs. People can lower their risk of heart disease and increase healthy blood flow to the lungs by routinely eating leafy greens. Furthermore, leafy greens can aid to cleanse the body and reduce inflammation. They include chlorophyll, which can lessen respiratory system irritation and aid in the removal of pollutants from the body. This can be particularly advantageous for patients with respiratory issues, as inflammation can make it harder to breathe. The seventh, berries are a tasty and wholesome fruit that helps improve breathing for people over 50. Blueberries contain a lot of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which can protect the lungs from oxidative damage and lessen respiratory system inflammation. Berries also include a lot of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune system support and sustaining healthy lung function. Berries also include a lot of fiber, which can help with digestion and improve general health and well-being. They are a great food for keeping a healthy weight because they are low in calories and rich in water content. Obesity increases the risk of respiratory illnesses including asthma and COPD, which can make it harder to breathe. Berries can also help with breathing by supporting heart health. Berries include a lot of flavonoids, which can aid to enhance blood flow, lower inflammation, and lower cholesterol levels. As heart illness can result in decreased blood flow to the lungs, it is frequently a source of breathing issues in older persons.